Welcome back to the channel. In this second part of the rust removal series, we're moving on from cleaning off the rust to protecting the surface, applying filler, and getting that perfect smooth finish with sanding and wet sanding. Before we start with the primer, make sure to sand the surface with 120 grit sandpaper after using the rust eater. This helps remove any residue, evens out the metal, and gives the primer a good surface to stick to. Here's where we left off. The rust has been completely removed and the metal is clean and solid. Before doing anything else, we need to protect it from new rust forming. I'm starting with a rust protection primer. This can be a zinc-rich or epoxy-based primer. Apply an even coat across the surface, making sure to cover all edges and corners where moisture could get in. Let it dry completely before moving to the next step. Once the primer has dried, it's time to apply some body filler.
Det är lite som fan.
Mix the filler with the hardener according to the instructions. Usually just a small amount of hardener is enough. Spread it smoothly with a plastic spreader, building up the surface slightly higher than the surrounding area. worry if it's not perfect, we'll sand it down to shape later. Let it cure fully before sanding. Now it's time to sand the filler. Start with a coarse grit 120 to shape the area and remove the high spots. Then move to a finer grit around 240 to smooth it out. Use long, even strokes, and don't press too hard. You want to blend the repair smoothly into the surrounding metal. Keep rinsing your sandpaper as you go to avoid scratching and get a clean result. And that's it. Rust removed, protected, filled, and sanded smooth. In the next video, we'll move on to priming and painting the surface to make it look brand new again. For the final finish, we'll do some wet sanding. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for part 3. Thanks for watching.